how does age relate to cancer? Ito yung sinasabi ko earlier, no? DNA change. Pag bata pa tayo, wala tayong mga changes sa DNA. But when we grow, pag naging adult tayo, nagkakaroon na ng environmental effect, no? Ayan yung araw, ayan yung pollution, yung lahat ng mga chemicals that are in preservatives, nagkakaroon ng DNA changes tayo, no? And as we grow old, mas lalo pang nagkakaroon ng maraming factors that would influence the production of more changes pag nag-senior tayo. The reason why senior citizens are more prone to cancer and other related diseases, no? Doon naglalabasan na lahat yan later in life, no? So